This one's titled The Grandfather Clock. I miss the tick-tock of the grandfather clock, ticking the time away. The chimes on the hour, half past and the quarter, reminding me of time's subtle sway. Grandfather Time and his glorious chimes echo still in my mind to this day. To hear it every hour throughout my life has forever taught me to say, nothing lasts forever. My own children are now grown, but how I wish hearing that chime they too could have known. As the clock struck 9, the choral of bells chimed, and for me it was off to bed. I'd fall asleep gently with the tick-tock, tick-tock echoing in my head. This may sound eerie, some could surmise, but it still brings to me cheerful times of my life. I love you.